Today I would like to talk to you about nutrients and fertilizers. Over the past several years, I've used several different types of hydroponic nutrients as well as fertilizers, and I'm always looking for something better because, chances are, as time goes along, the companies will produce better products. And the other thing to keep in mind is that what we are using today may have been developed perhaps 30 years ago, and so rather than continue to use something that is beyond its time, it would be nice to be able to try some newer products and find out if they offer any benefits. What FitLeaf reached out to me and offered was their kit, and this is what they consider to be the plant energy pack. The company, you can see on the bottom of the box, FitLeaf. And in addition to this box of fertilizer, they did provide me with a digital scale. It's actually a very nice scale. It's available on their website too. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you what comes in the FitLeaf fertilizer pack. Brochure is called Plant Longevity. Now, plant longevity they suggest using throughout the growth of the plant, and it sustains a lot of the vital functions within a plant. One of the others is called root, and root is oftentimes used when establishing plants or cloning, developing root systems on hydroponic plants or soil plants, because all of these products can actually be used in either hydroponics or in soil growing. Boost is one of the other packs. Boost is typically referred to as veg in a lot of our growers' forums, and this will help produce a lot of significant growth, healthy stems, healthy leaves, because if you can produce a plant that has a strong root system and a strong upper canopy of leaves and blooms, it will produce a lot of fruit on average. And the last product that's in this pack is called Bloom. And Bloom, of course, everybody's probably familiar with because Bloom is used oftentimes to enhance flowering and fruiting. So the interesting thing about all of these packages is you can come up with your own type of fertilizing scheme. And just think of it this way. The longevity product is kind of like the baseline fertilizer that goes throughout the life of the plant. And the other three are almost like knobs that you can adjust as you go through the grow that optimizes your fertilizer for your start to finish on whatever you happen to be growing. And if that all sounds just a little bit complicated, trust me, it's not, because believe it or not, FitLeaf has come up with a phone app that goes with both iPhones and Android phones that allows you to pick the crop that you are growing, and it will tell you exactly how to blend and what proportions for your needs. Should you want to go out on your own, like a lot of times I will, and tweak things just a bit, it does give you that option as well, and you can actually tune your grow and produce a lot more crops, a lot healthier crops. As FitLeaf often says, their goal is for healthier living, healthier eating, sustainability, and they're very globally conscious, which is something else I value in a company. So in the near future, expect to see more on this product.